Hello students, today we are going to start properties of determinants. Properties of determinants. Okay. Theorem. Let us start with one theorem in terms of properties of determinants. Let A be a square matrix. Let A be square matrix, then following holds. First is, if A is a multiple of one row, if a multiple of one row of A is added to another row to produce a matrix B, then determinant of A is equals to determinant of B. B, if two rows of A are interchanged, if two rows of A interchanged to produce matrix B, then determinant of B is equals to minus determinant of A. C, if one row of A is multiplied by K to produce B, then determinant of B is equals to K into determinant of A. Okay. A be any square matrix. If a multiple of one row of A is added to another row to produce the matrix B, then determinant of A is equals to determinant of B. Secondly, if two rows of B are interchanged, then determinant of B is equals to minus determinant of A. And C is, if one row of A is multiplied by K to produce B, then determinant of B is equals to K into determinant of A. Okay. Let us see example on this. Let us see example based on this theorem. Okay. Example. Let A is equals to matrix 1 minus 4 2 minus 2 8 minus 9 minus 1 7 0. Okay. A perform the row operation R2 plus 2 R1 on A, and then find the determinant of A and determinant of new matrix B. Okay. B part is, let C be the matrix obtained from the matrix B by performing performing the row operation R2 3, find determinant of C. Okay. C part is, let D be the new matrix, let D be the new matrix obtained from the matrix A by performing the row operation 3 into R1. Find determinant of D. And D is, let F be the row echelon form of the matrix A. Row echelon form of the matrix A. Find determinant of F. Okay. Solution. See here, we have given a matrix A. In A part, we have to perform a row operation R2 plus 2 into R1, and we have to find determinant of A. Okay. Here A is equals to matrix 1 minus 4 2 minus 2 8 minus 9 minus 1 7 0. Okay. First we calculate determinant of A. Determinant of A is equals to 1 into 8 into 0 0, 7 into minus 9 is minus 63, and here is minus, so it becomes plus. Minus, this minus becomes plus 4 into minus 2 into 0 0, this is minus plus 9, is minus 9, plus 2 into what? Minus 2 into 7 is minus 14, 8 into minus 1 is minus 8, and here is minus, so it becomes plus 8, which is equals to 63 minus 36. This is minus 14 plus 8 is minus 6, so here is minus 12. Okay. 63 minus 36 is 27 minus 12, which is equals to 50. So determinant of A is equals to 50. Okay. So here just write down determinant of A is equals to 50. Okay. Here we have to perform a row operation R2 plus 2 into R1. Okay. So your matrix, that matrix is B. B is equals to what? Perform a row operation R2 plus 2 R1. So keep R1 as it is, 1 minus 4 2 minus R2 plus 2 R1. So here is minus 2 plus 2 is 0, 8 plus minus 8 is 0, minus 9 plus 4 is minus 5, that is minus 1 7 0. Okay. Calculate determinant of B. Determinant of B is equals to 1 into, this is 0 minus 35, here is plus 35, minus become plus 4 into 0, this is plus 5 minus 5 minus, here is plus 2 into, it is 0, so no need to write down. This is 35 minus 20, which is equals to 50. So we get, when we perform a row operation, R2 plus 2R1. This row operation means multiple of one row is added to another row to produce a new matrix B. In that case, we get determinant of A is equals to determinant of B. See here, here is determinant of A is 15 and determinant of B is also 50. Okay, so here determinant of B is equals to 50. Okay, this is the solution of part B. Now, we require the B matrix. What is that B matrix is? 1 minus 4 2 0 0 5, sorry, minus 5 minus 1 7 0. Okay, and determinant of B is equals to 50. Okay, now we have to solve part C. DB the matrix obtained from matrix A by performing the row operation. This is a solution of A. Now we have to solve B part. Let C be the matrix which is obtained from matrix B by performing the row operation R2 3. So perform row operation R2 3 to obtain matrix C. 1 minus 4 2 minus 1 interchange third row and second row, 0 0 minus 5. Okay, calculate determinant of C. 1 into, this is minus 35 minus 0, no need to write down, plus 4 into, this is minus minus become plus 5 minus 0, no need to write down, plus 2 into again 0. Okay, this is minus 35, sorry, here is plus 20, which is equals to 50 minus 50. So here, if two rows of any matrix are interchanged, then determinant of original new matrix is equals to minus determinant of original matrix. See here, this is our actual matrix. Okay, sorry, this is your actual matrix, and that matrix determinant is 50. And here we have changed third row and second row, then we get determinant is equals to minus 15, means which is equals to minus determinant of B. Okay, so we will get determinant of C. Determinant of C is equals to minus 15. This is the solution of part B. Okay, now solve part C. In part C, D be the new matrix obtained from the matrix A. This matrix is obtained from matrix A by performing a row operation 3 into R1. Okay, I will drop all these. Now we will solve part C. Okay, this is our A matrix. Write down here. A is equals to 1 minus 4 2 minus 2 8 minus 9 minus 1 7 0. Okay, we have to perform a row operation 3 into R1. Okay, that gives us matrix C. Okay, or 3 into R1 means 3 minus 12 6. Okay, second row is minus 2 8 minus 9 minus 1 7 0. Okay, this is your matrix C. Sorry, this is matrix D. Okay, now find out determinant of this matrix. Determinant of D is equals to 3 into 8 into 0 0 minus 63 minus minus become plus 63 minus minus become plus 12 into minus 2 into 0, 0, minus 9 into minus 1, plus 9, this is minus 9, plus 6 into minus 14, minus minus become plus 8, okay, which is equals to 3 into 63 is 189, minus 12 into 9 is 108, plus 6 into minus 14 plus 8 is 6, okay, which is equals to 189 minus 108 is, this is minus 36, which is equals to 45. Verify this. This 45 can be written as 3 into 50, means this is 3 into determinant of A. Okay. So if one row of A is multiplied by k number, then determinant of B is equals to k into determinant of A. Okay. In this part, we have to let F be a row echelon form of the matrix A. Now solve D. What is your A matrix? A is 1 minus 4 2, minus 2 8 minus 9 minus 1 7 0. Okay, this is A matrix. Obtain row echelon form of this matrix. Students, for row echelon form, we have required here 0, okay. So we have to perform a row operation R2 plus 2R1 and R2 plus R1, okay. So what? 1 minus 4 2, here is 0, we have already obtained this row echelon form. Here is minus 5, okay, here is 0, 7 minus 4 is 3, minus 9, this is 0 plus 2 is 2, okay. Now actually here we require 0 and here we require leading 1, so we will perform a row operation R2 3. In this case, determinant of this matrix and determinant of A remains same, okay. Now perform a row operation R2 3. So 1 minus 4 2, 0 3 2, 0 0 5. In this case, your determinant will be minus determinant of A. We have already seen if two rows of a matrix A are interchanged to new matrix, then determinant of this matrix is minus into determinant of original matrix. Okay. Students, see here, for row echelon form, here requires 1, here we also requires 1. So we will perform a row operation 1 by 3 into R2 and 1 by minus 1 by 5 into R3. Okay. So our new matrix will be 1 minus 4 2, 0 1, 2 by 3, 0 0 1. This is our matrix F. Okay. Students, see here, this is a upper triangular matrix and we have seen one theorem that the determinant of a triangular matrix is nothing but just the multiplication of diagonal entries. So determinant of F is equals to 1. Okay. Student, here note that determinant of F is equals to, see here, up to this determinant of this matrix is minus into determinant of A. But to obtain this matrix, we have performed a row operation 1 by 3 into minus 1 by 5, which is equals to minus 1 upon 15 into minus 15, so which is equals to 1. Okay, sorry, here is determinant of A, keep as it is. So this minus minus become plus, so and determinant of F is equals to 1 is equals to, this is 1 by 15 into determinant of A. Therefore, determinant of A is equals to 50. Okay, student. Okay, students. We will stop here. Thank you.